Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Over here you would need to select alarms if they are not already on and tap on this plus icon. Now set up an hour. And when you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Then click on alarm name, label your alarm however you wish to, tap on this blue checkmark icon, scroll down and click on the switches next to alarm sound and snooze to disable or enable those features. Now tap on snooze, pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back, click on alarm sound, and pick Spotify if you wish to use music from your account, or you can click on ringtone, tap on allow and select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also increase volume of it over here and enable or disable those two features by tapping on the switchers next to them. You can also add your own music by tapping on this plus icon at the top right corner, tapping on the best song for you. I will go with Over the Horizon, and clicking done at the top right corner. Now you need to go back and save your alarm by tapping on save. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it, tapping on this bin icon, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!